it's Sam. As promised, I'm going to be doing my product empties today. This is for December. And I have a little bit of a mix and match of things. I did use my Persil Pro Clean Intense Fresh laundry detergent, but it's downstairs and I can't be bothered to go all the way down there and get it. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you the rest of the stuff that I used up. I did use up a Downy April Fresh fabric softener. I love these. Or sorry, what are they called? Yeah, fabric softener. I love these. They smell they smell really good. They do just a really nice job of making your laundry feel really fresh, or feel, I guess they do actually feel soft, but they smell fresh. I also used up the Eva NYC Soften Up Conditioner. I love the packaging of this. Isn't this cute, guys? And if I remember correctly, does it smell good? It has a very kind of like, I don't know what the scent is. It's a very interesting scent, and I can't tell you what it smells like because it's something that I don't know like what it is, but it does have a nice scent to it. Next, I used up the Banana Shampoo from the Body Shop. You guys know I love that stuff. I also used up the Mrs. Meyers Clean Day Hand Soap. This was in the apple cider scent. I got this around the fall time and it was so good. It smelled just like apple cider. It was super yummy. We also used up the Maisan de Provence Fresh Sea Salt Hand Soap. This I got from TJ Maxx and it was so yummy. The smell of this, I just love sea salt. I never realized that I love the smell of sea salt so much until I got these. And these are so good, guys. They have this amazing fresh salt smell. It's really weird to say that because that sounds like it would not smell good, but it really does. I also used up the I didn't. Jay used up the Layrite Original Pomade. I just featured this in my December favorites because this is amazing. Actually, I probably need it right now. Yeah, I do. For keeping your, why is this, I curled this side way better than I did this side. Not sure what's going on here. Do you see how like curly this is? I think I just need to like finger this side through a little bit. I think I got a little excited on this side here. But anyway, this is great if you, obviously if you have a shorter haircut and you want to keep it in place. This is what Jay uses. But if you have little flyaways, if you guys didn't watch my December favorites, this is amazing for like if you're wearing a ponytail to keep your flyaways down, or even if you have little flyaways in this little kind of part here, it does such a good job of holding them down. We also used up the Glade Spiced Apple Magic. This smells delicious. We had it around the fall and it was so yummy. I actually just finished it up a couple of days ago, but it smelled like apple cider. I just recently used up the Magnolia Klorane Brilliance shampoo. I actually really like this one. It makes your hair really shiny. It's really lathering and it smells really good, and it's really like just makes your hair super shiny and smooth. So I really did like that one. I don't really care for the conditioner though. The shampoo's a lot better than the conditioner in my opinion. I also used up the Dermalogica Pre Cleanse. This is my favorite way to remove all of my foundation, my eye makeup, my lip makeup, everything that's on my face. This is what I use, and then I go ahead and like use a soap or, you know, a cleanser afterwards. But this is such an amazing oil to remove like heavy full coverage foundation. Next, we used up the Mrs. Meyers Clean Day. This is in this Radish scent. Radish, that's random. I didn't even know this was Radish scent. It doesn't smell like radishes. It just smells like cleaning spray. I've had this for a really long time. I can't actually remember. I must have, oh, I got it at Marshall's. I mean, it clearly did the trick because I used it all up. I also used up the Collagen gloves from Voesh, New York. These were actually amazing. My hands have been so dry, and this made my skin look so nice. They're just like little gloves that are filled with like special collagens, you know, like treatment, macadamia oil, moisturizer, and you put it on your hands for like, I don't know, I think I left it on for like 20 minutes. And then your hands are so smooth afterwards. And then I also used up one for the feet. The feet one was the best because my heels are disgusting. They're so cracked. And oh my gosh, for like once in my life, my heels actually look like normal people's feet. It was delightful. This is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar, what are they called? Makeup Removing Towelettes. I love these things, guys. They are so good. I highly recommend them. They're affordable. You can find them at any drugstore. And they do such a good job of, I mean, I mainly use them for swatches. If you have really stubborn makeup, and even after you use like an oil to remove your eye makeup and you still can't remove it, these do such a good job. They don't burn your eyes, they don't leave like oily residue, and they remove all of your eye makeup. I also used up the, this looks so dirty, gross. This is the Kerastase Chronologiste. This is like a hair mask. This is like a weekly treatment. and I really like this one. I've been really happy with the Kerastase like weekly masks. I think they're really beautiful. This one has quite a spicy kind of like, yeah, it's quite a strong scent. But it does work really, really well, so I'd highly recommend this one. This is the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. You know I love this. I have one here. I also have a backup here for when I run out. It's my favorite setting spray in the world. It's just so good. It smells like coconut. It does such a beautiful job of just like popping your highlight and keeping you looking glowy, and all the powders like setting into your face. If you are someone who is not really keen on wearing powders but you want to try it out, but you don't want to look like a powdery face, that's the worst look in the world. Definitely use a setting spray, because I use quite a lot of powder. Even though my powders are very, very fine and very, very like, kind of, they go into the skin nicely, they don't look very powdery. The trick is to always use a setting spray, and then it just kind of melts the powders into your skin, helps everything stay really, really well, and it makes it so that you never look like you have a powdery finish on your face whatsoever. I used up a couple of the Crest white strips. These are the Crest 3D White No Slip White Strips Professional Effects. So that's what they look like. They just come in like little packets, and I think I've used up 3, but I think I threw the other packet away. Yeah, I have. So I've used up 3 of those, and I basically just do it once a week. If you do it that way, I've never had any sensitivity, so I recommend, I wouldn't do it every single day. I would just kind of do it once a week until you kind of acquire your level of whiteness that you like, because I think every day is just too much. I also used up the Zoella Lazy Days Reed Diffuser. You guys know I love Zoella's lifestyle brand, so I used up that one. That was in my bathroom. I also used up another of the Fresh Sea Salt from A la Maisan de Provence. TJ Maxx or Marshalls? Probably TJ Maxx. I also used up my Juicy Couture perfume. I lost the top. I loved this perfume. I wore this pretty much most of the fall. I just absolutely love this. It's so good. It's so classic. It's just such a beautiful scent. And yeah, I highly recommend that. If you haven't tried it before, you need to. It's very classic and sweet, but kind of has a sophistication to it. I also used up the Charlotte Tilbury Charlotte's Magic Cream. This is my most favorite moisturizer right now. I do have a second one that I'm currently using at the moment, and then once that's over, I will definitely repurchase. I am really happy. Actually, I'm having a really, I woke up today and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm actually having a good skin day. Can you guys believe this? Like, even my chin area is looking good. I should mark it on the calendar. But yes, I really love my skin when I use that moisturizer. It's really good. I also used up the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Foundation. You guys know this is like my holy grail, mixed with the Givenchy, oh sorry, no, it's not Givenchy, it's Giorgio Armani. I'm currently trying a new foundation today, and if you guys want me to do a actual like full review, demo, first impressions of this, I would be happy to. This is the new NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm currently wearing 2 of them mixed together. This is the color Vanuatu and Santa Fe, so I just basically mix half and half of these to match my perfect color, and I think they match really, really well. I gotta say, so far, I actually used it the other day. Was it yesterday? Oh, I didn't wear makeup yesterday. It must have been the day before. I don't remember what day it was, but I wore it once already, and I did a really quick makeup. I didn't even set. I didn't even use concealer. I basically just put foundation on, mascara, and some lip gloss, and that was it, and then my eyebrows and some blush. And by the end of the day, I mean, it wasn't a full day, because I think I started getting ready around like noon, and then I took off my makeup by 6, so it was probably on for 6 hours. My skin looked really beautiful, but I didn't use any powders or concealer or anything, so I don't know what it's going to be like. Today I did my full routine, so I'm really interested to see how it's going to wear. But if you guys are interested in around a foundation review of that with oily skin, definitely let me know. But I love the coverage of it, and I love the finish right off the bat. I think it looks so beautiful. P.S. How much is my hair faded? I'm so sad. Then I used up the Taupe Stroke Over. Oh no, this was the one I bought that was already dry from Ardell. I got that at Sally's Beauty, and it was already dead when I bought it. This was the second one I bought that was already dead when I used it. This is the medium brown that I have used up that wasn't dead when I bought it. No, sorry, this was in PR, so I didn't buy this one when it was actually good. I did use up this whole entire thing, and I love it. And I used up a Lancome Hypnose Drama mascara. And that's everything that I used up. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm definitely going to have to redo my pink very soon because it faded out so fast, unfortunately. I'm super bummed because it was such a beautiful color. And I actually still quite like this color because now it's kind of just like a softer blonde. It's almost like a kind of strawberry blonde now, which is kind of fun. It's really pretty, but I definitely, like, I'm already missing the pink, so I'm probably going to redo it this weekend because that pink was just so delightful. I'm hoping, it actually came out of my extensions a lot quicker than like the rest of my hair. My extensions are pretty much back to blonde. But I think maybe, hopefully at least, once, now if we put it on again, because I already have a little bit of pigment, my hair was so bleach blonde that maybe it'll stay a little bit longer. Fingers crossed, I hope, because I loved that color so much. But even now, I still like this color. I think it's still really pretty, so you know, even when it fades out, it looks good, which is nice. It's a good tone still. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and hopefully you guys all are having a wonderful Monday. Mwah. Bye.